Alright, I'll try to write in such a way that it will be visible in one of the videos. Okay. If you want, you can pin both videos and see whichever is coming. And audio you can manage. Is it okay? Now it's good. Alright, okay. So let us see. Okay, let me ask a question. Okay. Anybody want to comment about these two lines? Are they parallel lines? Or they intersecting lines? Or skew lines? Or something else? Okay, everybody agrees parallel lines. Okay. I am saying both represent same lines. Is it true or false? Not just parallel lines, they are same line. Maybe for some lambda and mu it is not a right statement. Why? When you put some lambda, you are finding position vector of a point on the line. It is not a line, right? Alright, Sachinarna? Parallel agreed. Everybody can see that this is 2 times this. Yes, Lokeshwar? Why? Don't say similar. Okay? Either same line or parallel. Okay? Same. Okay, fine. Let me give one more. Okay, please listen. Yes. This is also same line as this one or this one. All these three are same line only. One line you can write in many ways. Okay. Let me give a simple example. You take a line passing through 2 comma 3 and let us say 7 comma 9. What is the slope? 6 by 5. Somebody can write y minus 3 equal to 6 by 5 into x minus 2. Somebody can write y minus 9 equal to 6 by 5 into x minus 7. What is the slope of this line? 9 minus 3 is 6, 7 minus 2 is 5, it is 6 by 5, correct? Yeah. I am using one time this point and one time this point. Alright. They look different as such. They may look like 6 by 5 here, 6 by 5, they are parallel only. But actually when you simplify, they will come same lines. If you do cross multiplication, you will get 6x minus 5y minus 12 and minus 15. So plus 3 equal to 0. Here also 6x minus 5y minus 42 plus 45 plus 3 equal to 0. Here at least it is quite clear that actually they are same lines. But here it may not be that obvious. And if I remove 2 and write some 4, they may be only parallel lines, but they are not same lines. Okay. But one may say here, how will you distinguish whether they are parallel or same lines? Parallel everybody can see. Because if this vector is parallel to this, these two are parallel. If this vector is parallel to this or parallel to this, these two are parallel. Okay. Actually, where did I write this is, I took some other point on this line and substituted here. I took lambda equal to 4. When lambda is 4, what happens? 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13, and minus 4 plus 2, minus 2, 16 plus 1, 7, 16 minus 7, 9, right? And I took this and multiplied with 2. Okay. Is this one of the point on this line? This is one of the point on this line now. So these two are parallel, but same line, same point is there here. This may not be same as this point, but it is some other point on the same line. Okay. So, and similarly here, from here away frame, this is I took lambda equal to minus 1. When lambda is minus 1, I will get minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, plus 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 4 plus 1, I took -1, this is wrong. Yeah, -7 -4 is 11. Okay. One may say, okay, you are telling now that you took lambda 3 or lambda 4, lambda -1. But how will I know which lambda you took? You don't have to worry about that. First of all, understand these two are parallel. Now, whether they are same line, that is coincident line or not, how to check? Take this point and substitute in the place of r bar here. That means you are checking whether this point satisfies this line or not. Compare I coefficients, you will get one equation. Compare j coefficients, you will get another equation. Compare k coefficients, you will get another equation. You will get three values of lambda. If all three lambda come same, this point is lying on that line. So they are parallel and there is a common point, means they must be coincident lines. Okay. So two lines which may not be obvious that they are same lines, two equations, but they can be same equation. Alright. So you have to be sometimes little careful about that part of the checking. Alright. Sometimes they may ask very simple questions, forget about this. You take r bar equal to a bar plus lambda b bar and r bar equal to b bar plus some u a bar. Okay. This is one line, this is some other line, and they are not parallel lines. Okay. What is the point of intersection? They may ask. I said, how will you find point of intersection? Equate this part to this part. This is a position vector of any point on the first line. This is a position vector of any point on the second line. And if you equate them, what will come? Yeah, when you equate a bar coefficient, you will get lambda equal to 1. When you equate b bar coefficient, you will get mu equal to 1. That is the reverse. And when you put them back, a plus b. So the position vector of the point where these are intersecting is a bar plus b bar. That is one way to write. Another way to understand this is, forget about this. Tell me position vector of different points on this line. Anybody? A bar is there, a bar plus 1 into b bar, a bar plus 2 into b bar, a bar plus 3 into b bar, a bar minus 5 b bar. What is the position vector of different points on this line? B bar plus a bar, b bar plus 2a bar, b bar minus 5a bar. Do you find anything common in the list of this and this? A bar plus b bar. Here also you said a plus b, here also you said b plus c. You can even visualize it, I will show you. This is origin. This vector is a bar and the position vector of this point is a bar. This vector is b bar and the position vector of this point is b bar. What is this first line? Passing through point a bar and parallel to b bar. This is the first line. Is it passing through point a bar? Is it parallel to b bar? Yes, the first line is this. What is the second line? Passing through point b bar but parallel to a bar, which is this one. Okay. And are they intersecting here? And according to parallelogram law, what is the position of this point of intersection? A bar plus b bar. So they are intersecting at a bar plus b bar. You can even visualize it. Anyway, this is a more simpler question, but it's fine, no problem. Alright, I gave some idea about equation of a line, but still, equation of plane I have to discuss, which will maybe take tomorrow's class or half of the tomorrow's class. Okay. So you can try to complete up to 33 in mains if you are not completed. And if you completed, I said again you have to start from 45 till end. If somebody completed that and you completed IP first exercise, you can do advanced material. Alright. Thank you.